am Ty with WTI, and this is my Fireproof Document Safe Bag. There are so many features that are absolutely fantastic about this organizer. It has a multi-layer design allowing for efficient organization, making it easy to categorize and access different types of documents. Another thing I love is that it is made out of a fireproof material, so it's durable, which gives me peace of mind in protecting my critical documents from potential fire hazards. We desperately needed this organizer because before we were using a plastic envelope to organize our important documents. And as we added more to it, it wasn't long before we were storing our documents in a ripped envelope. So it's nice to have an organizer made of tough material that has a zipper enclosure and that has a lock, which adds a layer of security and ensures that my confidential documents remain private and protected. I definitely recommend this bag if you're looking for an organized way to store your documents that ensures longevity. And that's my point of view.